climate change is one of the gravest crises our planet has ever faced. In my humble opinion, the political leadership on this issue has been gravely lacking. I am heartened that we were able to forge an agreement that both parties were pleased with and that appeared to satisfy the police and those here in sympathy with the individuals who were charged. I am also extremely pleased that we were able to reach an agreement that symbolizes our commitment at the Bristol County District Attorney's Office to take a leadership role on this issue.
Amen.
Bill McKibben's article from Rolling Stone.
Yeah.
There's no in my heart.
Throw that up again.
As a very inspirational beginning.
I want to see the Jack White cover.
You know, I'm dating myself, but I didn't even know who that was. But my kids do. So, yes.
As a district attorney, are you sending a message that you condone unsafe navigation?
No, I'm not sending that message at all. I'm sending a message that this was an act of civil disobedience, that we had to reach an agreement. I'm not at all disputing that the individuals were charged, but this was the right disposition. It was reduced to a civil infraction. This was civil disobedience after all. And restitution is going to the town of Somerset in full, and part of the state police's expenses will be paid for. So this was about as good and reasonable a disposition as could be reached.
Just to be clear, are other people to blockade
This is one case, one incident at a time. So I think I've made my position very clear. This is one of the gravest crises the planet has ever faced. The evidence is overwhelming, and it keeps getting worse. And so we took a stand here today, the Bristol County District Attorney's Office, and case by case, incident by incident, we will continue to take a stand. Okay, thank you. Thank you all very much.
The grass is red, wings is blowing away up in the farthest field. Walk with me and we will see the mystery revealed. When one day we wend our way up to the farthest field. Walk with me and we will see the mystery revealed. When one day we wend our way up to the farthest field. I know one day I'll leave my home here in this valley and climb up to that field so fair. And when I'm called, counted in that final tally, I know that I will see you there. Oh, walk with me and we will see the mystery revealed. When one day we wend our way up to the farthest field. Oh, my dear friend, I truly love to hear your voices lifted up in radiant song. Though through the years, we all have made our separate choices. We've ended up where we belong. Oh, walk with me and we will see the mystery revealed. When one day we wend our way up to the farthest field.
Incredible briefs that they spent all weekend working on, which, you know, caused all
How
this
late
to
were you
happen.
up last night working on that motion?
late enough that the kids were already getting up when I was getting there.
We were sleeping, so.
Does integrity require you to call it a break?
Maybe you can read it to us tonight, just for fun.
So, once again, thank you, all three of you, and the people you've worked with. Thank you so much.
Okay, all right, so
Police want to...
So tonight we have a little bit of music as part of this. We have some fun props that we've created. Please feel free to interact with the play. If you want to cheer, if you want to yell something, whatever, you can consider this sort of interactive theater. And,
Hey, false Philistines, assemble. False fools. We own the mountains, we own the streets, we own the rocks, we own the trees, we own your land, what's underground too, and in the end, we also own you. Why try to stop us? You're doomed to drown. Our coffer's too big and our belly's too round. And don't we take such good care of you? Keep the lights on since 1882. Silence your crying, nobody's dying. Let us extract our wealth. Raise, bomb, dig, don't blame
April 5th, 2000. 29 miners killed in an explosion at the Upper Big Branch mine. MSHA released its final report in December 2011, concluding that flagrant safety violations contributed to the coal dust explosion.
December 22nd, 2008, an impoundment dike ruptures at TVA Kingston plant in Tennessee. 1.1 billion gallons of coal ash spilled into waterways.
October 11th, 2000, 306,000 gallons of cold slurry flood Martin County, Kentucky, causing a spill 3 times the size of Exxon Valdez spill.
May 16, 2014, the fast-moving Thwaites Glacier in Antarctica will likely disappear in a matter of centuries, raising sea levels by nearly 2 feet.
Don't then carry, and then it's time to burn.
And it is said that Goliath and his army of fossil Philistines spread terror for many a generation throughout the hills of West Virginia. Today, trucks, railroads, and bulk freighters help deliver the coal from West Virginia to Lamy in Massachusetts. The people knew if they wanted cleaner air and to help control climate change, they would have to stand up to the power plant.
My mother can't breathe! Not only that, the waters are rising.
Listen, it's not just one thing or many. It's all around us. It's swallowing us, but we can't see it because we're already inside it. But we can't just ignore it and expect it to go away. If not us, who?
I'd love to do something. God knows I would. I don't want my children to suffer. But I've always known it's impossible to stop him. He's too big.
It's not impossible. Giants have been taken down before.
But he's one of the biggest.
We can do it. We just need to find the right weapon.
What weapon can get through his armor? He's covered in money and political favors. His armor must be a foot deep.
Oh, why don't we blow him up?
No. Then we'd be just like the fossil Philistines. We need something that can take him down without destroying everything around him.
I know. We build our own giant and fight him.
Yeah.
Out of what? Money. Yeah, we'll start a campaign. And when we have enough money, we'll buy our own politicians. We'll support our giant.
No! But then we'll just have a giant made of armor with nothing inside.
That won't work.
We want a world
without giants, not more giants.
Well, we don't need a giant if we can find the right weapon.
Well, what's the right weapon? People power!
Oh, join me!
Yeah!
Yes, okay.
Hi! Great.
I'm a representative from greenwash.org. You work protecting the children and the water and the whales of America. It's just been fantastic. You're heroes. Say, we get requests for speaking engagements across the country all the time. How would you like to fly out to San Francisco next week?
I got plenty of work to do right here, thank you.
All right.
You all ready?
Yeah. Wait. Where are the rocks?
We don't need rocks.
So what are we taking them down with?
Resistance.
He won't feel that.
Oh, he will.
Yeah. All right, let's do it.
Let's do it. All right. Ready? And go! What's wrong?
It's hurting us.
Well, but we shot it at Lamy.
I think we're connected. I feel pain in my arm.
You're imagining it.
No, I feel it too.
Maybe we need him after all. I mean, I don't want to live without electricity. Neither do I.
I thought it would feel good.
Wait. It may hurt a little at first when we take him down, but it won't be forever. I promise. There is life after coal.
Well, what kind of life?
A life we're no longer at the mercy of giants who poison us, then make us pay for it.
Yeah.
We have to make a decision.
We have to find the right page. I promise, together, we'll be okay.
I want to believe. I choose to believe. For my daughter and her daughter. All right, let's go.
All right.
Okay.
Ready?
Now.
All right, let's go. Together. Like the sea where life was born, we will rise up. Like the smoke from the coal we burn, we will rise up. Like the tide before it breaks, we will rise up. Like the sun on a brand new day, we will rise up. We will rise up, rise up, rise up, rise up. We will rise up. We will rise up, rise up, rise up, rise up. We will rise up.
Beware! If you keep at it, you'll see you cannot live without us. What we produce has become your blood. It's hard to die. I did my best. I did well. And you were a part of me. We know. Do what you must. Work is what matters. I did the work I was meant to do. These things you speak of, rising temperatures, rising waters, I don't feel them. I wasn't made to. Do not be rash. Do what you must. I was only a servant.
We would like to sing a victory song, but it's too early for a setting sun. One plant down is good for us, but we've only just begun. And when our great-grandchildren have completed this great turning, we hope they can look back at us and forgive our sluggish learning. We cannot worry what the future brings, only move more faithfully to it. Remembering with each step, it takes us all to do it. Remembering with each step, if we don't start now, we blew it. We hope you'll stand beside us We hope you'll see the day when coal's no longer burned and future's thrown away. May the sun still shine on fertile land when we are very young. May the sea still feed and mountains stand when your own are very young. We cannot worry what the future brings, only move more faithfully to it. Remembering with each step, it takes us all to do it. Remembering with each step, if we don't start now, we blew it.